Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have in the butterfly locks in my hair, and this hair was actually sent to me from a Amazon store called YoungTher. You can see more information in the description below. This is the hair I got from them. This is 6 packs butterfly locks crochet hair. They are 12-inch pre-looped, and in each pack it includes 12 strands. And what I like about this is that because they're pre-looped, it is so easy to work with and install, and I really love the feeling of the hair. It is not too heavy, not too light, and it's also synthetic, so it's not human hair. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to oil my scalp with the Ayurvedic herbal growth oil from Heavenly Goddess JA. You can use my code Mishi for 5% off your order. Also, for more information on this oil, you can see my previous video I uploaded, and I also add information in the description so you can see it on their website as well. So with this oil, you know, it helps or promotes hair growth and relaxation. So, you know, I'm giving it a little bit of moisturization before I install the hair. Okay, so now that is all done, it is time to install the hair. So to be honest with you guys, I was kind of nervous because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So what I noticed is that I could actually open the loop of the hair, you know, because it's kind of thick. So I wanted to go through very easy. Mind you, this is the first time I'm actually doing this, so do not laugh if I'm not doing it properly. So I push the needle through my hair, then I hook it on that little hook there on the needle, and then I close the latch and then I pull it through. So now that I pull it through, what I'm gonna do now is guys, I was having such a hard time with this needle, so I'm just gonna put the hair through the loop and I'm going to pull and get it tightened a bit. I know you guys might notice some white thread in my hair, but guys, I didn't know, or I didn't actually realize I would have to do so much work getting my long hair, you know, all tucked in and so forth. So I wasn't prepared at all for this, and I am checking to see, you know, if it is tight enough. And now we're gonna do the next one. So I am loosening up the loop so it is a little bigger, and I'm going to repeat the same process. Okay, so I am going to finish the rest.
And I'm also going to fill out the empty areas. So example, like the front, at the top, in the middle, and also around the back, so we can have a fuller volume. Okay, so I am through. I'm not sure if I'm feeling it as of yet. If you are not a beginner or first timer, you can actually complete this within 1 hour. I'm new to this. This is how the back looks as well. Let me know what you think and any suggestions on how I can improve this.
So personally, it's not the hair. I think it's just me. I'm not really a fan of it. I don't know if it's the color or if it's the length, but I think this style or this hair is not for me. But you can let me know in the comments, you know, what you think, and also rate my crocheting. I know I have some work to do, but thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share. Until next time.